Hi, I'm Tom, and today I will show you how to create a chess tournament in 5 minutes. Essentially, you just need two things: any kind of device you can use to browse the internet and email address. So in 21st century, I assume you already have one. So let's jump into it. Now open your favorite browser and type admin.chessmanager.com. Click register in top right corner. Type your email address and your new password. Select I am an arbiter organizer and I am not a robot. We just need to make sure. Now check your inbox and click verification link. Your account is set up. Now we can sign in. Here you will see all your tournaments. Now let's create a new one. Provide name of the tournament, the city where the tournament is taking place, your country, federation, select start and end date of the tournament, and click create. Now we need to ask you a couple more questions. Who is chief arbiter? Let's say that's me. What's the time control? Standard, rapid, or blitz chess? You can fine tune it now. And pairing system. If the tournament is for a small group of people, I would recommend selecting round robin, where everyone is playing against each other. In other cases, select Swiss system. Adjust the number of rounds, so basically how many matches they will play. By default, we will present your tournament on Chess Manager calendars. If it's a private tournament, you can disable that option. You can also prevent from people signing up into your tournament. If it's FIDE or local rated tournament, select one of these boxes or both. And that's it. Now the tournament has been created. You can adjust all these options. If you click the tournament's name at the top navigation bar, you will see a public version of your tournament. And that's it. If you liked the video, please leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, and see you next time. Bye.